from a systems perspective, how do modern architectures support that kind of operational agility, like reducing debt and improving content health?
From an engineering perspective, I mean, having that API first driven system really helps us build content in a way that our team can easily scale and plan for effectively. So like Storyblok's a good example. Let's say in this case, there's nothing in the Storyblok editor you can't really do with the management API, which really helps our engineering team when it comes to solving problems like localization, where we've got many, many versions of one piece of content. It may show different content, it may have different copy depending on the region, and we need fine-tuned control over that. And we can do that with these API first systems. We've just seen like a big reduction in like copy of pages that get abandoned or left in draft mode for ages.